The constitution of the trial Chamber 5 by the ICC to handle the Kenyan cases now fast-tracks the trial of the 4 suspects facing trial before the end of the year. Judges Christine van den Wyngaert from Belgium, Kuniko Ozaki from Japan, and Chile Obeo-Osuji from Nigeria are now mandated to determine the date in which the trials will commence.
There is a need to discuss all the procedural issues, including the disclosure of the evidence that the prosecutor has, including any exculpatory evidence to the defense. Also, there's a need to implement protective measures that might be necessary for the witnesses, discuss the list of witnesses, and all that has to be done under the control of the judges.
ICC spokesman says the appointment now paves way for the preparatory phase in which the judges will discuss all the legal procedures before the trial and are at liberty to ask the defense, prosecution, and even the victims to make submissions to the court. At the same time, the judges now have the power to determine whether or not the suspects should be allowed to come and go during trial or hold them at The Hague.
And that depends on, first, the cooperation of the accused, on their will to voluntarily appear before the court when the ICC judges order so, and also their compliance with the other conditions that the ICC judges may have put on them.
The court will also be tasked with compiling a witness list, and any party willing to join in the case will be accommodated at this stage.
Any request to modify any deadlines decided by the judges can be done only by the parties and the participants to the proceedings, and in accordance to the rules of the procedure, and has to be based on legal arguments and factual arguments and not on political consideration.
The move by ICC alluding to commencement of trials at a date this year is bound to impact on the political landscape owing to the uncertainty over the length of the trials and the verdict. Kathina Chenga for Friday edition.